Kia ora koutou katoa, it's Mrs. Goodson here, and this is lesson 3 for level 1 science for our biology investigation. And it's about how do our muscle cells get that oxygen that they need for respiration. So, our first video was about how our muscles work, and our second video was about how muscle cells carry out respiration. So, respiration is the process that that all cells actually carry out to turn our food or specifically the glucose in our food, with oxygen to get energy. So, where does the oxygen come from that cells need for respiration? Your body cannot store oxygen. The oxygen required for aerobic respiration comes from the air. It enters the nose and the mouth and it travels down to the lungs where gas exchange occurs. Okay, so this over here is a picture of your lungs. So air comes in your nose and your mouth and it joins together and goes down your trachea. And then you've got two lungs, your left lung on the left side of your body and your right lung. Okay. And the uh, bronchial comes down and it branches into smaller and smaller branches. And then there's this very tiny, this would be a zoom up of the air sacs or the alveoli that where the gas exchange occurs, and they've got lots of surface area, so this gas exchange can happen really fast. And what happens is these air sacs are covered by very small capillaries which carry your blood. And what happens is the oxygen goes into your blood and the carbon dioxide comes out of your blood. So this is called gas exchange because the carbon dioxide is coming out and the oxygen's going in. Okay, so this is where the oxygen comes from and it goes into your bloodstream. And then the job of your blood is to carry it around your body to all your cells because all of your cells carry out respiration. And so all of your cells need oxygen. Um, and the circulatory system is the name of the system that we give to the system that is the blood and the heart and the blood vessels that carry the blood. So the circulatory system carries or transports the blood to the cells, and all cells carry out respiration. What happens to breathing when I exercise? Now, you probably know the answer to this because when you exercise, you breathe faster. So, why do you breathe faster when you exercise? When you exercise, your muscles are the ones that move. So when you exercise, you're moving faster. So your muscles need more oxygen. So your breathing rate increases to get more oxygen into your body faster. Okay. So the job of your lungs, as in this little animation over here, is your lungs breathe, and then when you exercise, your muscle cells go, I need more oxygen. So the message gets sent to your brain, which controls everything, and your breathing rate increases. And so you can get oxygen faster and you can get rid of carbon dioxide. Because remember, carbon dioxide is the product from respiration that we want to get rid of. So we also, when we are breathing, we're getting in oxygen and we're getting out carbon dioxide, which is gas exchange. So this is how respiration is linked to exercise. When you breathe, when you exercise, the faster you exercise, the more oxygen you need, and your breathing rate increases, and so that you can get more oxygen into your body faster and remove the carbon dioxide faster. So in this video, we've talked about where the body gets oxygen from, which is the air, via our respiration system, which is our lungs. The lungs' job is gas exchange, okay? Gas exchange. Okay, let's write exchange with this pen. It's a bit funny, but okay, so we want oxygen in, carbon dioxide out, so gas exchange. Um, so the oxygen gets to our cells via our blood. So the lungs' job is to get the oxygen into our body as fast as possible. So if we need to increase the amount of oxygen we get, then we need to increase our breathing rate. So lungs is all about breathing and gas exchange. So when you exercise, you're moving faster, you have more energy needs, the respiration rate increases, more oxygen is needed, so the breathing rate will increase. Okay. So in the next video, we're going to think about what's your heart's job in all of this.